Good day, everyone. I'm AJ Datoon, and my partner is Jogen Alvarez. As we navigate the fast cyberspace, remember the safety tips for cybersecurity. Joven, what's your understanding of cyberspace?
Welcome back to Cyberspace Guide. Today's topic is something we all create without noticing: digital footprints. What is a digital footprint? Everything you post, like, share, and search, it all leaves a trail online. Even deleted posts may still be saved or screenshot by someone else. Example, a student jokingly posted a meme about a teacher. It went viral, people took screenshots, and even after deleting it, the damage was done. That's how permanent the internet can be. How to protect your privacy. First, think before you post. Second, check your privacy settings, limit who can see your posts, photos, and friend list. Third, don't overshare. Avoid posting your address, school schedule, ID cards, or personal documents. And last, separate school and personal accounts. This help protect your academic work.
Thank you for your explaining about cyberspace, Joven. And let's talk about cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is like protecting your online home. It involves you using measure like strong password, two-factor authentication, and being cautious with link and email to safeguard your digital information and device from unauthorized access or harm. Like example, this example I gave earlier are some of the ways to practice good cybersecurity habits. Using unique and complex passwords makes it harder for hackers to guess or crack them. 2FA is adds extra layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized access even if the password is compromised. Like example, code. If if I type kung mag-type ko sa akong password and naay mo gawas na need pa og code para maablihan ang account. And suspicious link emails. Being cautious prevent phishing attack and malware infection. This anto is mura ni siya og link na like scam, virus,